today we're making a clock from Python. I know it's very underrated because usually I focus on gaming and some other videos like tutorials and stuff, but today we're focusing on Python, which is not like one of my best, but I got it, and I just made it, but it didn't turn out, so I got another one. Got another idea, like I had to script it, which took pretty long. So first, I have to import this thing. I don't know what exactly it's called. Gosh, my typing is very bad. TA, I think this is how you spell it. Import. No, wrong info. Okay, and also from TKINKER.KKT import, and from time import or at time dot row equals to KT. Makes a bunch of these because it just makes life easier. Root dot title clock. Oh my god, this cable is cable and dev slash time parentheses string equals to string time backslash what is it called again? I kind of forgot what it's called. Percentage, yeah. Percentage of hours, that's the hours. Wait, it's supposed to be capital if I'm correct. And minutes. And what's the other thing called? Seconds, yes. And percentage P, I forgot what it was called, but something like that. And what do I do next is label. So label.config text equals to string. Go down to label. Oh shoot. String. Oh no, bro. Go down to label. After 1000 slash time. Break that and label equals to label labels root comma font equals to ds dot digital slag comma 80 parenthesis. Well, why is 80? Digital. Oh, I made a mistake. Shoot. ds dash digital backslash comma 80. Now the color is correct. Comma background. I like my background as black. I feel like it's just a better color. black. And foreground, I think that's just the oh shoot, what the heck? Okay, black, comma, foreground. Well, I spelled foreground wrong. Foreground and equals to cyan. That's what I like it as. Could, it's optional. Change it to any color. Label the pack. Ain't. Oh my gosh, bro. What's it called again? Anchor. What? Gotta spell it. A-N-C-H-O-R equals center. Oh shoot. We saw this one. Multipart, center, and go into time, and main loop. Okay, this is, I think this is how it should go. What was it? 9/11, what happened? Label.config. Let me see what's wrong here. Text string. Okay, let me see what's wrong here. I don't see anything that's wrong. Text equals to okay, text equals to string. Yeah, I don't see. Wait, I think I think this is the problem. String. Why is it? Okay, wait. Let me get it from a better one. I did the exact same thing I did on. Yeah, okay, guys. Okay, this was my other one, which I wrote other one. I didn't think what I did wrong. This is also the same thing I did. Well, guys, if you're thinking about how I got this, there was a package. I'll be putting this down in the description. But overall, look, you could just leave this on, show off to your parents, and if you like this video, sub and give it a like. Peace.